snowing.
Mm-hmm. It is 3:39 a.m. Sunday morning. It's currently 21 degrees in North Star, Lake Tahoe. It's snowing. So we're gonna take a drive up there, go snowboarding for the day. Morning, babe. What happened here? Should have parked a little more forward, dude. Our snowboarding buddies are here. You want me to open this?
3 a.m.
Want me to open this? So you guys can bring your stuff over? Holy crap, it's cold out there.
Probably.
That's good.
Do you want me to drive for now, babe?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure. Road trip!
Yeah!
Yes, 4 a.m. right now.
It's 4:01. Right on time.
35 on.
Yeah, poor pole.
Yeah, I would say that.
Look at that. It's all bent and like deformed. Yeah, they have to fix the pole.
That's so cool.
Alright, we're gonna put on snow chains.
Oh,
You see the box?
I felt there's weight inside. It must be.
There you go.
I felt weight. I felt weight. Yes, be awesome.
Look at that, chain control. They won't let anybody through without chains. These guys already have chains. Look at you. Why are you wearing flip-flops?
Yes, man, that's how we roll.
Yeah, they're brand new. We are also on the news.
Sorry, guys. That's alright.
Camera, you. Okay, alright, what's your name?
Richard.
Richard, and what's your last name?
We should go in there. Help him. Snow chains are on. Now we continue and trek up the mountain. rink. It's all snowy and powdery. Chains are off.
Oh, my one, it is changed.
Richard, it's gonna go in your bedroom next time.
Gonna play some SM.
You know you're into that.
I do.
Right, Minnie?
Well, we can.
Oh, look at this. Icy roads again. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put on some chains because it's icy.
Hey, dude, can you throw this away?
Look at this snow. It definitely looks like we're gonna get snowed in tonight. This is gonna suck. The ice started building up over here earlier. And yeah, the defrost was on all the way, and like we could not. Our visibility was going down so bad.
No. I don't want
She's playing.
to hit you because they don't see you.
It is crazy. It is snowing a lot. All right, here we go again. This can't be a car accident. Yeah, it's just tow cars. Oh no, maybe there is a car that fell over.
Oh, maybe.
The road is now watery. Hello. Whew. Do you like my hat? Because my head is all messed up, look. That's even worse.
No, it's just not.
Seriously.
Hey guys,
That looks amazing.
Thank you.
Needless to say, we killed the ramen.
Hey, what's up with your head?
I know. Stop making fun of me, babe. You're so messed up.
Kill the ramen, they got 2 more boxes.
That's it. Buy one, get one.
Yeah. Well, the 3 of us killed the ramen except for this girl. I think this whole trip was still worth it, regardless of the fact that we got stuck in the snow for like 3 hours. We're gonna head home, go to sleep, and then work tomorrow. So peace.